Well, hello everyone. Welcome once again to another review. Goodison Gamer here, and today let's take a look at Speedball 2 on the Commodore Amiga. And this is a game request by a fellow YouTuber, John Gage. So, if you're not familiar with his channel, I will put up a link in the description below. So you can check out this video. It's a very good channel and a big inspiration actually for myself starting my own channel. So thank you for this request, and if there is any other viewers who want me to review a game, keep in contact. Very well, so I have never tried Speedball 1 or this game before, so this is a futuristic football game. As you can see here, here's a kind of intro here. We don't need to look at it all the time, but it tells the story about Speedball. It's a very famous sport in this future society, which has been degenerated, and a lot of corruption, and the sport has been forced underground, and a new team emerges, as it says here, and that's my team. So let's see if we can jump into the game here. Loading game, so this can take a little time perhaps, so let's pause here. So here we are then. 1 to 2 player game demo. Let's jump into. Shall we do a knockout? Yeah, we can do a knockout. So we play against a Revolver here. I don't know if we can change teams, but we can play a Revolver or against Revolver. So here I don't really understand. Can we just continue here? Escape, perhaps? Can we escape from here? Now here we are. Brutal Deluxe. I am in blue helmets here. Oof, damn it. Oh, come on, take the ball. Oof, there you go, damn it. There you go. Piss off. There you go. Come on. Pass the ball. No, for fuck's sake. I like this game. Come on now. Come on, run for it, you fool. Run for it. No. No, you have your chance, damn it. Come on now. Take the ball. Yeah, this is my cup of tea. I like this chaotic kind of sport games. I did a review on another chaotic football game actually. Fuck off. Revolver scored. Called Wild Cup Soccer. It's a very cool game actually. I should put up a link in the description below as well. Just so you can check it out. Yeah, so far I'm quite enjoying this game. Damn it! Own goal! What the hell did I do that for? Oh, look at that! How the hell did that happen? Seriously. This is 20-2 now. I don't really understand how to count the score here, but come on now. At least I have 2 points. That's something. Come on now. Damn it. I had my chance there. Yes. There you go. Now I have 12 points. This is a cool game actually. Come on. Yeah, I have the ball again. But where is my people? There. Half time. So now I will play downwards here. Come on, you have... Damn it! I had my chance there. Come on. Piss off. There you go, take the ball. Come on, run for it. I have 3 players now. Offensive here. Oh, damn it! Oh, what the hell did I do that for? What the hell happened there? This is crazy. Ooh. Come on, I need a goal. I need a score. Damn it. There you go. Knock it thick-headed. There you go. Piss off. Damn it, it's not that easy to control the ball actually. There are no fuck off. There are no Morgans. You need to be so quick. Ah, piss off. Oh, I had my chance there. Ooh, I have another score, I think. Come on. Oh. This is more like a handball game, I think. I don't... Match over. 16-32. I have to go for another game. Yeah, this is fun game. Game over. It's a fun game. I really liking it. Yeah, go for another knockout. We play revolver once again. Why? Can't I change? Okay, let's play revolver once again. Against revolver. Once again now. Ugh. That stupid own goal I did in the first match was... I don't know how the hell it happened actually. Ooh. There you go, keep the ball now. Run for it, you fool. Ooh. I hit the crossbar, I think there. Damn it. Or something. Damn it. Bad angle I had there. Cannot score from there. Damn it. Where is my defense? There they are. What the hell happened there? I don't understand jack shit now. What the hell happened there? Oof. Ooh, this is... No one has scored. You 4-0. 4-0 for the revolver. Come on. Yes, there you go. I'm in the lead now. Oh, half time, yeah. 16-4. Now play it downwards here. It's very exciting. There you go. Fucking revolver. Piss off. Ooh, come on now. Keep... Oh, the goal! Oh, how the hell did I... Look at it. It's crazy. I mean... I need an own goal. Second own goal now. Oh my god. This is completely madness. Ooh, I did another score, I think. Come on now. Damn, fuck off. Ooh. But damn it, move your ass. Hey. Come on, keep the ball for fuck's sake. There you go. There. Come on. What a fun game this was. Thank you, John. I never played this one before, so awesome. No, how? Fuck off, I'm losing it. So sloppy. Where are my people? There. Match over. Fuck. Yeah, it was a close one actually. But now I know how to play this game a little bit more. So, yeah. Very nice game actually. I will come back to it. It's very fun concept. Now I like this when it's a little bit mayhem going on and a little bit of craziness. That's right up my alley. So yeah, a very good game. So I will call it for today now, and thank you so much for watching, everyone. I will rate this game 7 out of 10. I really recommend it. Very well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.